Hi there. Today I want to show you a way that you can make CoPilot extend your VS Code environment while you are using it. So give you new VS Code features while you're using it. And for that, we will need CoPilot, of course, and we will need Calva, which is a VS Code extension for Clojure development, and we will need Backseat Driver, uh, which is a Calva extension for giving CoPilot tools for Clojure development. And we will need Joyride, which is the extension that lets us hack VS Code while we're using it. And to make sense of this demo, you should know that I am running a Joyride script to show these slides. So these slides are just markdown files, but I have made a small system which lets me switch easier, which lets me switch between them while I'm presenting. I want to stay in VS Code when I present stuff, so I made this Joyride script. And another script I made was this timer, which is supposed to help me time my presentation, but I most often forget to start it. But let's see if we just peek at the script for running the presentation. We're not going to dwell on what's going on in that script, but that is the script that hopefully we can make CoPilot use through the REPL to help us with this presentation, and maybe to extend it even. Let's see if it can start a timer for us. Hi there. Can you start a slider timer for me? So it started the timer there for us. So flying colors, that's great. That's awesome. Do you think you can show me the tools slide? To show us the tool slide, it would need to read the slide configuration, find which slide that is, and then use the slide script to show that. But it doesn't seem like it's reading the script, the slide configuration. So maybe that's why it's showing the wrong slide here. Yeah, so that was the second slide, but I want the tools slide. You might need to read the tools the slide configuration for that. Slides Eden, exactly. So now it should be able to find which one is the tool slide, and request failed. Please try again. Topics. I want the tools. Sorry, maybe I misspoke. I want the tools slide. So now it should. Oh, so it's. Yeah, so it actually did it finally. So a thing that's not part of this slide system yet is a menu that shows us all the slides in the presentation, let us easy navigate to any one of them. So let's see if we can make a CoPilot create that menu for us. Thank you. So I want a menu that shows me all the slides in the presentation with an icon and a title and the file name. And I want to, okay. too slow speaker, but maybe it got enough of the gist here. So you should be able to create this menu in the REPL. So yeah, so it has access to this and gets this quick feedback from the running application about what's not working. So now it felt it needs something to handle the promises, and yeah, I imagine it is doing it a bit like I would do, or we would do if we would use the Clojure REPL like this, just trying to use it and see what works and what doesn't work. Obviously has done some stuff here that doesn't work, so syntax error is probably brackets not matching. Yeah, it's really bad at matching the brackets, and that's not good in this for this coder. It actually has a bracket balancer, but it's not. I have failed to describe that tool. So it's there it is. So unknown title. Okay, but anyway, you see that CoPilot actually can be made to extend VS Code in user space while you are using it. So let's see if we can switch to this tool, this slide. We could, so it actually worked. So that is super great. So let's see if we can, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Can you show me the code that you use for this? Extract the title. So this was the regex, I guess, that failed. And you can see here that you're using the VS Code API to do things. So yeah, and if I wanted that code, I could bring it into my slide script and have it there. But I will wait with that for now. But let's see if we can make it do something more. Thank you. Do you think you can create a status bar button with an icon and the title that shows this menu? So I guess if it doesn't hold on to the reference to the status bar item, it will keep creating new buttons every time it tries to update it. But we will see what it does. So yeah, so let's look at this while it is working here. Of course, it is a bit dangerous to give. Okay, so do we have? No. Now see your slides. Is it this? Yes, it is. Oh, awesome. Yeah, we're going to talk about this safety with the REPL. Of course, it is. It has access to your REPL, which means it has full access to your system. So it is a bit dangerous. But CoPilot has mechanisms for letting you select your trust level. I'm running it in a bit of YOLO mode here. let's add some. Let's see. It's still going on with that button. Better icon. I don't see an icon right now. Yeah, so now it has even has an icon. So that's great. Yeah, so actually this was what I want to show you. I hope you will be trying this, and this is a great way to get started with Joyride, actually, because CoPilot figures out a lot of the details for you to use it. So yeah, that was it. That was that, and thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment.